Fam, Maono reached out to me and asked if I wanted to try out their MA100 30 dB gain preamp. I thought about it for a minute and finally said okay. You know, everyone likes options. So here we are, and let's dive in. This is the Maono MA100 30 dB gain preamp, which is very portable and costs about $100 on Amazon. Be aware, you will need 48 volt phantom power to make it work. I'm going to be testing it with an SM7B and Elgato Wave interface. Let's dive in. We have the manual, which has illustrations and instructions to set up the preamp. It also comes with a 2-year warranty. Alright, so enough of this manual. Pushing through this wood, we have a provided XLR cable. That's Savage AF right there in my books. 99% of the time, you have to buy one or two, you know, to get your setup up and running. Hold on, fam, while we push deeper in this wood. You know how Savage do. Go in nice and easy, but come out rough and raw. That's savagetechraw.com. The packaging is nice. Little box mean little device. All right, fam, wait for it. Wow, look at that and all its little glory. This is pretty small. Let's take a closer look at this Maono MA100 30D preamp. I can't wait to put this thing to the test. Maono MA100. Let's take a closer look. 30 dB gain. It needs phantom power. The housing. The build quality looks nice. Similar to the Cloudlifter. Metal housing feels solid. You know, I think they might have outdone themselves on this. A little push lever. That's how most of them roll anyway. But like I said, the build quality feels nice. Nice pads and feet. Pad and feet are soft, scratch-free filling material. I know there are a lot of affordable options out there, but I'm going to put this to the test to see if it holds up to the 30 dB gain that they claim. All right, fam. So we have the Maono MA100 preamp 30 dB gain. All right, as I'm sitting here looking at this has a smaller footprint than the Cloudlifter. It also has a smaller footprint than the toner. You know, I did a video on that a little whiles back, but just trying to see, it's lighter. I mean, I really can't get a good tell on that because I'm hooked up, but I think the toner is heavier than all three of these. So with that going on, you got this here that's happening. That's your footprint, you know, that you want to carry in your bag. All right, so first up, fam, we have the toner, and it's coming in at 0.32 kilograms or 11.26 ounces. Second, we have the Cloudlifter, and it's coming in at 0.315 kilogram or 11.11 ounces. Finally, we have the Maono coming in at about 0.3 kilograms or 10.58 ounces. All right, enough with that. Let's get to the nitty gritty. So let's jump over here and take a look at this screen in just a second. Get that to going. All right, so I'm at 38 dB gain, which I'm running a little loud, so I'm gonna have to tone that down because I am clipping, or probably clipping a little bit. But hopefully with the this Wave software I got hooked up, it should take care of that. Okay. All right, but I just wanted to show you what I'm on before I make the swap over to the Maono MA100 PreAmp 30 dB gain. So you see we at 38 dB gain right now, and you see how it sounds. Okay. Also, I'm running the NVIDIA broadcast app. And this is the EQ setting that I'm on right now. All right, so this is how we roll it. All right, so let's pause here for a second, and then we're gonna hook up the Maono MA100 PreAmp. All right, fam. So we're rolling now. Okay. And I think this is much louder, and I think it's some clipping that's going on with this preamp. So we were at 38 dB gain with the Cloudlifter hooked up. Now we're connected to the Maono MA100. Can you hear the difference in the sound? 30 dB gain. So you see we're at 38 dB gain right now, and you see how it sounds. Okay. I'm probably clipping, which I see in OBS it says I'm clipping. On the Wave XLR interface, the wavelength, it doesn't show me clipping. It just, I'm going into the yellow a little bit, but it's not totally clipping. But on my OBS, it's saying that I'm clipped out. All right, can you hear the difference? Can you tell the sound? We're gonna go back to 33 right now. All All right, now we're at 33 dB gain on the Wave interface. How does it sound? Is it about the same as with the Cloudlifter? Cloudlifter gives you 25 dB gain. Maono gives you 30 dB gain. Can you tell the difference? Am I still clear? The proof is in the pudding. I'm giving you the pudding. This is your boy Savage. So, last take on this Maono MA100. I mean, it's running around $100. That's $50 less than a Cloudlifter. I mean, these guys are coming at the Cloudlifter left and right, fam. You know, Maono, you know, they doing a good job with it. They bumped it up, you know, to 30 dB gain. I mean, and the more gain you have on the preamp, the less noise you have in your interface, or the less you have to turn up your interface. So I've been using this for a couple weeks now, and it's been fantastic. I haven't had any issues or anything out of it like that. You will need to have 48 volt phantom power on whatever you connect it to. So let that be known. It's $99 on Amazon at this point in time. So this is my take on it. It's very good. It's loud. And like I said, if you got a lot of preamp coming into your interface, the less you have to turn your interface up and the less noise you will have in your audio. All right, this has been your boy Savage. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and definitely hit that bell to stay tuned for more products. We out. Sad 100. Get it.